guys, how are you? In this video I'm trying to show you, this is lesson 5 and we are going to talk about the taste. So the first one is fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. The first question is gonna be, what is the definition of sets? After this lesson we are going to talk about lesson 4 revision, because you need to make this test first of all. So fill in the blank. What is the definition of sets? As we talk about, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to write the meaning. Okay, here it is. I think you are prepared, or you can pause the video and you can write is. What is it? Is collection of well-defined objects. Objects. It can be letters, it can be names, it can be words, or just numbers and any kind of things that is defined. What is singleton set? The second question is, what is singleton set? I'm going to give you 5 seconds for these two. So what is it? What is singleton set? Without only one element. With only one element. The third question. What are the two symbols for empty sets? The two symbols for empty sets are, we talk about them 5 seconds. Here we are gonna do the answer. What are the two symbols for empty set? Curly bracket only without any element, or 0 with a slash on it. We are gonna go to the second one. Say true or false. Collection of whole numbers. T is for true and F is for false. A collection of whole numbers. A. True. Collection of flying cats. That is false. Why it is false? When it is true, we are going to say and leave it. But it is false. When it is false, we are going to talk about why it is false. So, collection of flying cats, it is false because there aren't any kind of cats can fly. So, we are gonna go to the third question, the pair of shoes. There are many kind of pair of shoes. It is true. So, the collection of best English letters on the D, it is false because we don't know the best English letters or bad English letters. Both of them, the letters are an English letter, but it says best English letter. It is an opinion of you, but not opinion of me. For me, the best English letter is M, cause that's my name, first word, letter. But for you, it can be T, S, U, V, and whatever. So, it is your opinion. We are going to say false. The collection of vowel letters in English alphabet. So, I'm going to just edit it to the question by saying, but you can write this one or what I'm saying, the collection of English vowel English alphabet. So The vowel letters in English alphabet. What are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. So you can define them. It is true. The last one, E. It is not really E. It is the symbol for element. So as we talked about before few lessons ago, this is the symbol for element and this is the symbol for not elements. So element E, the symbol for element, is the symbol for single tone set. It is literally false because we talked about this is the symbol for element. So this is how we are going to finish our test. I'm really pretty sure you all have the whole answers correct. If you are not correct, just fix the answers by erasing them and correcting them with the true answer, and just study the answers to be perfect on these things. And if you have any comments about my questions, or if you like to ask me some questions on this or about my previous lesson, don't forget to have on the lessons. If this is lesson 5, it is already lesson 5. You have to just comment me the lesson 5 mistakes or improvement or your questions on the lesson 5 comments place. On if it is lesson 4 and you get it. So we are gonna get back. I'm gonna erase the blackboard, whiteboard, and I'm gonna write the lesson 4, and we are gonna revise the lesson 4 what we talked about yesterday. So I already erased the whiteboard and I write the revision about lesson 4. It is very simple. It don't have any money notes. So it is just 3 examples about complete listing method, partial listing method, and the set builder method. So complete listing method are 5, 10, 50, other one 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, other one 7, 9, 10, 11, 40, 80. Like this, these are the kind of complete listing method, and partial listing method are 5, 6, 7, dot, 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 or 5, 6, 7, comma, dot, 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 comma, up to 100. I already talked about in previous lesson. So the last one is set builder method. Set builder method is a kind of method which you are not going to list any of the elements of the member. Just you are gonna specify what kind of objects are in the set. For example, Z is a collection of boys in Cambridge Academy. So Z is equal to curly bracket opened, the Cambridge Academy boys list, and when you just and close the curly bracket, that could be the complete listing method. But by easy way to list all of these things, you just have to say Z is equal to X such as X 2 points, 2 dots. X such as the X 2 points that are parallel is a collection of boys in Cambridge Academy. So the best way to just write this is by set builder method, because listing all the boys in Cambridge Academy is so awful. So we are gonna finish by this. So don't forget to subscribe, and we are gonna learn about something on lesson 6. Don't forget to go to lesson 6. I think we are gonna finish the sets on few lessons after this lesson 5 test. So after we finish sets, we are going to talk about other unit about maths in maths. So just be with me. Don't forget to subscribe to see my other videos and the new upcoming and videos on my YouTube channel. I already have a Telegram channel too. The username is @mativid. @mativid. When you just put @mativid, it says an empty production. When you click and join that production, you can get such as great apps, games, and few things. So don't forget to subscribe. Empty production.